To you who is about to die, first, tidy up your room. Throw everything away. Keep only one important thing. In your now clean room, leave a letter for the people you love. Write down thank you many times and express it. On the morning that arrives, you will leave home on time, carrying only what's important. But today, don't go to that place. Spend the day walking to places you want to visit, places full of memories. Walk away from the crowd, anywhere is fine. Then, cause some trouble and worry for your parents, teachers, and friends. When the day ends, slowly close your eyes and recall all the painful things. Remember all the things you've had to endure. Think about yesterday, the day before, and all the times you've been trying hard for so long. No one ever noticed, right? It's okay to be weak. It's okay to rest. It's okay to run away. But you have a reason you can't do that, right? See, even though you're suffering so much, you still can't run away today. So come, escape to this place and say, I couldn't die today. You might not be able to change in one day, 1 month, or 1 year. But that's okay. Strength comes from weakness. So don't rush. Take it slow and walk forward. It may sound like a cliche, but this is my final message to you. When you die, I will be very sad.